Middle and high school teachers, are you having trouble with the students in your classroom? If so, you need to hear this. Now, if you go home exhausted and at the end of the day you think to yourself, man, is this really worth it? I know how you feel. I've been there before. If you feel you have no options and no support, just so you know, you're not alone and it doesn't have to be that way. And if you're looking for something to make your teaching life easier, then I can help you with that. My name is Gabriel Beal and I've been teaching for 20 years, and during that time period, I have been a mentor to numerous teachers. All my years of experience have led me to this one conclusion, and that is this: the reason teachers are struggling so much in the classroom is because they have not been given the tools nor the support needed for effective classroom management. I've created a step-by-step program to help teachers go from pulling your hair out to going home happy. And since we are stronger together, part of this program is you'll be placed into a group of teachers for support, and so that way we can share our war stories as well as our victories. And finally, you'll have access to one-on-one coaching as well as numerous resources. So if you'd like an opportunity to win our coaching program for free, then just go ahead and click down below and we'll talk soon.